Good morning. Over here. That's some nice wood you got there. No, the wood on the table. So you're making a top, huh? How are you going to clamp it? I'm not sure that's going to work. Okay, so you want to glue up a top, but you don't have any clamps. Okay, that's no problem. I can show you how. First, you'll need to grab some scrap wood that is the same height and about 8 to 10 inches longer than the width of the top you want to glue up. Perfect. Now you're going to want to grab some painter's tape to cover the slats with. That's right. Now cover each one of the slats with some painter's tape so the glue won't stick to them. Alright, with that done, you're going to want to lay them all out on a flat surface. That'll do. You'll want to lay them out perpendicular to the way you're going to lay your top out. Perfect. Now lay your top out on top of those. Yep, just like that. Before you go any further, you're going to want to make sure that your edges are all straight. Now you're going to want to grab 4 small blocks of wood that are long enough to span across 2 of the boards you already laid down. Yep, that's it. Now you're going to want to lay them in front and in back of both sides of your top. Just like that, very good. Now you're going to want to screw them in place, but you want to leave a small gap on the front blocks between the block and the top. With those steps completed, you're going to want to grab some wedges. What are you doing? No, wedges, not wedgies. There you go. You're also going to need some glue. Now we're talking. Now you want to lay the first 2 boards up on their edges and glue them. Make sure you use a lot of glue. Perfect. Now you'll want to move the glue around so it covers all of the wood. You don't want to see any bare wood. Just like that, that's perfect. Once that's done, you'll want to lay them back down into position like they were before you started. There you go. Now grab your wedges, and you want to place them in between the block you screwed down and your top. And hammer them in. There you go, just like that. See how that's tightening up the top? Alright, now just kick back and enjoy the fact that you didn't have to spend a bunch of money on clamps to make your top. Think about what you're going to do with that money you saved. Like fishing. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm just wanted to show everybody a quick way you can glue up some tops without clamps. And really you can do any size you want. You know, just have to use more braces and more blocks. And this is a really neat way to do things if you don't have clamps or don't want to go out and spend the money on it. You know, on my channel I'm really trying here to inspire guys who might not have access to all this equipment, all fancy equipment, and to help you guys save money. Even, you know, woodworkers with fancy equipment, I can offer you some tips that'll help you save money in the long run. You know, I really appreciate everybody out there. Just hit 4,000 subscribers, so I dressed up today. I look like Larry the Cable Dude. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Lots more fun stuff coming. Remember, every Tuesday we have a how-to tutorial, and I'm trying to post 3 to 5 videos a week of just all kinds of crazy stuff. Thanks for tuning in.